Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Renault Captur emerges as a compelling choice in the compact SUV segment, blending contemporary design with advanced technology and versatile features. Building upon its predecessors, the latest Captur offers enhancements that cater to both urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts. Exterior design. The 2025 Captur showcases a sleek and modern exterior, drawing inspiration from Renault's larger SUV lineup. Its refined aesthetics feature sharp lines and a sporty stance, complemented by LED headlights and taillights that enhance visibility and add a touch of sophistication. The front grille's chrome accents and bold skid plates on the bumpers contribute to a robust and dynamic appearance. Additionally, the introduction of the Esprit Alpine trim level brings unique design elements, including 19-inch alloy wheels and sporty detailing, elevating the Captur's visual appeal. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the Captur offers a spacious and comfortable cabin designed with both driver and passengers in mind. High-quality materials and ergonomic seating ensure a pleasant driving experience. The dashboard is dominated by the OpenR Link multimedia system, featuring a large touchscreen with integrated Google services for seamless navigation and connectivity. This system provides access to various applications and real-time information, enhancing convenience on the road. Furthermore, the Captur is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including active driver assist for Level 2 autonomous driving and predictive hybrid driving features, ensuring safety and ease during journeys. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 Captur offers a range of powertrain options to suit diverse driving preferences. The TS90 variant is powered by a 90 bhp turbocharged 1.0-litre petrol engine paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox, delivering a balanced performance suitable for city driving. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, the E-Tech Hybrid 145 model combines a 1.6-litre petrol engine with electric motors, producing a total of 141 bhp. This hybrid system not only offers brisk acceleration but also ensures reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious drivers. Versatility and practicality. Designed with versatility in mind, the Captur caters to various lifestyle needs. The rear seats are equipped with a sliding function, allowing for adjustable legroom or expanded cargo space as required. This flexibility makes the Captur ideal for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The boot offers ample storage capacity, accommodating luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. Additionally, multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin provide convenient spaces for personal items, enhancing overall practicality. Pricing and availability. As of February 2025, the Renault Captur is available in various markets with pricing starting from approximately £21,695. However, specific pricing and availability in Pakistan have not been officially announced. Prospective buyers in Pakistan are advised to contact local Renault dealerships or visit the official Renault Pakistan website for the most up-to-date information regarding availability and pricing. Conclusion. The 2025 Renault Captur stands out as a versatile and stylish compact SUV, offering a harmonious blend of modern design, advanced technology, and practical features. Its range of powertrain options, including efficient hybrid models, caters to a wide spectrum of drivers. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the Captur delivers a dynamic and enjoyable driving experience. With its competitive pricing and comprehensive feature set, the 2025 Renault Captur is poised to make a significant impact in the compact SUV market.